Thank you for coming.
Thank you,
Thank
Ate.
you.
Sige, thank
Hello,
you.
everyone.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Dente. Okay, we're gonna go by ourselves, right? Darn.
Yeah, I guess we just got.
Yeah. So that's the area for coffee, and these are for the drinks. Let's see what they have here. Orange juice, grapefruit. Oh, nice grapefruit. And kiwi. Same thing. Peach, strawberries. Wow, they have a lot of variety here. Serving. So it's beautiful here. This is the first time here in the buffet restaurant. Wow, lechon. Lechon, lechon. Yeah, these are all delicious. Wow. This is the grain area. Oh, looks like salad master bowl. And salad, fresh, sushi. It's like sushi. And yeah, this is big area. Bread, everything. Wow. Fruits area. That's just my favorite fruits area. And salad area. And there's a bar behind me, bar. Now, this is really good though, the area. It's huge for the buffet. That's the bar area. Wow. My first time here in this buffet restaurant here. And it's a seafood restaurant as well at night. So tonight, after our event, we're gonna go here for the dinner, seafood dinner. It's really good. And these are the bread area, fresh, hot bread. Oh, let's check. Oh wow, this is the very delicious bread. Oh my god. And this is romaine bisque, the soup. And fruits, fresh one. Another toast and syrup, and what's this? Another syrup. And these are the dessert area. All kinds of dessert. Wow, these are all my favorite, but I cannot eat them all. Look at that, guys. It's so delicious here. Oh my god, the cupcakes, my favorite. Oh my god, this is all my favorite. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Wow, donuts, croissant, and everything. Wow, all kinds. It's like when you look at them, you're gonna feel all full. And everything, even pizza they have here. But I cannot eat them all. We got only $60 per person in the buffet for free for the breakfast. That's the elite treatment. So because the person with me is elite member here, so that's why. We got a good food. And I got all this one veg to be healthy. See guys, that's what I'm eating for breakfast.